Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am sorry I'm not putting the camera on my face for this video, but we are on the farm now. Ruby! I'll show you the dog here. There you are. Hey, yeah. Come. Who's your good girl? Hi. 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 Hey, sit. Sit. Lay down. Sit. Ruby, sit. There you go. Good girl. Who's your good girl? Oh, she's so cute. And if you look up at the next door neighbor's house, if you zoom in enough, you might be able to see the dogs they have next door. Let me just call them. Puppies! Pup, 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 pup. Come here! Doggos, come! Doggos! There's 3 border collies, 2 black and white ones and 1 gold and white one. I think I see one just there, or is that just a bird? I'm not sure. But anyway, well, let's get on to the tour. So, this is my other mum's sister's house. She lives in a little caravan over here. Hey, Whoops. Oh, jeez. Ruby, come. Come on, Ruby, come. Come. Oh, good girl. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go in the house. Yeah. Come. Whoops. Good girl. Wait. This is not food. Ruby, what are you doing? Let me introduce one of the other animals real quick. This is Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Say hi to YouTube. She always makes this weird purring noise. Anyway, coming in the house, we have Bulma the cat. Not sure if he's here, but he might be. Bulma! Is he out the window? Also, by the way, that's Misty the horse. Hi, Misty! Misty! Misty girl! Hi! I think Bulma must have gone under the caravan again. There's some other horses I don't know the name of. And there's some bushfires way out that way. And there's a helicopter patrolling the scene, as you can see here. Not sure if you can see it. Wait for it to come around again, and then I'll show you guys. But I don't think Bulma's here. And also, how could I forget to tell you guys? Yesterday, there's 2 things I want to tell you actually. Last night, we went to a game, a soccer game with the Mariners. Central Coast Mariners versus Perth Glory. Sadly, the Mariners lost themselves. Hello. We lost 3-0. But mission failed. We'll get him next time. Anyway, and also, why I'm not uploading in the next 1-2 weeks. I'm on a flight to Singapore in a few days after we get home from here. After we fly home, flying to Singapore on a 9-hour flight. I'm not excited for that whatsoever. Frickin' ever. Ruby! Oops! Oh, another dog. Another dog! Hey, what's the dog's name?
His name's Bella, buddy.
Okay. Bella! Bella! Bella. Hey, Bella. Oi. Hey, you cute one. You a cute one. Hey, Kira. You a good kid. Wait, Ruby, get out of my face. Be careful playing with Bella, Ruby. You're way bigger than her. Where are you going under the car? Do you just want some shade? Hey, hey, Bella. Who's your cookie? Who's your cookie, Ruby? Okay, let's go on the farm for real this time. There is the geese gang over there. They always hiss at me whenever I get too close. I'm not gonna get close to you guys, don't run away. There's another horse. Hey, Kia. Oh boy. Whatever gender you are. Hey. 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 And then there's some cows walking down there. Doing? Weird horse. Some more horses in the stable over there. Not sure if you could see them. But let's see what the geese gang do if I get close to them. They might chase me. I'm not too sure. Hi, geesies. Hello. There's a hiss. I'm going away. Screw you. No. 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 Ah, shoot. Oh boy, he's coming. Nah. I ain't risking that. Shoot, I thought he was gonna run at me for a second. Okay, let's go. Bailing out, boys. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. And yeah, that is technically it. Well, let's go see if Bulma's there now. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Who cares? Oh, forgot to tell you about the bunnies. That's Haley. Hey, Haley. She's the shy one. Well, they're both particularly shy. And this is Harvey. Hey, buddy. Jacob is still out. He's my eldest cousin. What are those horses doing down there? You good? You good, bro? Oh no, I'm gonna go check that out. Timing? Wait. past the geese gang though. You good there, horsey? Good there, bro? Bruh. We on a mission, boys. Hey. You guys right? What's happened here? What's happened here? You okay? Horse? You okay? Thanks. Oh no. Got one of the electric thingies stuck around her foot. Oh no. I'm gonna go get Nan, I'll be right back. Good thing the geese gang are moving because I don't really want to get close to those guys and girls. Whew. Well, I'm gonna see you guys around. Bye.